Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 116, populating next right pointers in each node. So anytime you see like a tree question or a node question, there is a high probability that it's recursive. You can use recursion to solve the problem. And it's true for this case as well. You can use recursion to solve this problem. And the way we'll do that is that once we have a given node to us, what we're going to do is that we'll attach the left node to the right one. And then for the right one, we'll look if the previous node, whether the next one is null or not. If it's not null, we'll just assign the next left to the right node. It's a little confusing when I say it that way, so let's jump into the problem itself. So let's handle the base case first. If root is equal to null, you would just return null. And then what you need to do is you need to check if the root dot left node, if it is not equal to null, what you need to do is you need to attach it. Root dot left dot next would become root dot right, correct? And then root dot right, you also need to attach it to something else, right? And then root dot right here in this case, so for example, if you see right here in the 5 and 6 right here, so it needs to go to the head node's next node's left. So that's what we're going to check. You're going to check if root dot next, if it is not equal to null, right? So what exactly is it checking? So if you're looking at 5, we're looking at 2, and then we're checking, hey, is the next node null? If it is null, we don't do anything. If it is not null, which is true in this case, what you'll do is you'll say root dot right dot next is equal to root dot next dot left. So basically you're going to the head and then you're saying, hey, take the left node, give me the next node for the head node, and then give me the left node, and then just attach it. Once you're done with that, you need to continue moving forward with it. So you would just say root dot left, connect that, and you'd call that on the right node as well. Connect to root dot right, and then in the end you just return the root. Awesome. That's actually the entire solution. So let's compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about this based on the time complexity of the entire solution. The time complexity of the entire solution is O of n, since we have to go through every single node, which is given to us in the tree. And then the space complexity is O of 1, since we're not really using any additional space, unless you count like the stack space that is used for like recursively calling it. But apart from that, like you're just using O of 1, like you're not using any additional layer. Awesome. So if you have any questions about the problem, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Would really, really appreciate it.